Journalism.
The gold standard of journalism, no exaggeration, everyone was skeptical, we got it right. Question now is, who after Yediyurappa? He is the ex-Chief Minister of Karnataka, he will be the caretaker Chief Minister of Karnataka until his successor is named perhaps in a few hours or a few days from now. But until then, the big question is, who is that person going to be? Let me just summarize for you some of the faces. Now, this is speculation because this is what the political grapevine and the buzz on the ground is telling us. And we've been right about the exit, so you better listen to what we have to say on this story. The Lingayat faces. Basavaraj Bommai, Karnataka's Home Minister, is one of the front runners apparently. He hails from the Janata Parivar. Murugesh Nirani, who's been camping in Delhi, is another Lingayat face. He's a Karnataka Mines Minister. He's from the prominent Panchamshali Lingayat sect. Arvind Bellad is a two-time MLA. He's a young face, has the backing of the RSS. C.T. Ravi is the BJP's National General Secretary, known as the blue-eyed boy of the RSS. He's also one of the persons in the reckoning and is close to the BJP Central Organization. Secretary B.L. Santosh. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, very, very high-profile Deputy Chief Minister. He's a modern face, neutral, moderate face. He's a qualified medical doctor as well. He is the MLA from Malleshwaram in Bengaluru. He is from the Vokkaliga community, and he is one of the persons also in the reckoning. There's an error in that graphic. He is from the Vokkaliga community. We'll get that corrected in just a moment. I want to go across now to India Today's Nabila Jamal for more. Nabila, where is Mr. Yediyurappa right now? He left the Raj Bhavan a short while ago. Is he headed home? You know, he is in effect the caretaker Chief Minister now. So he remains basically the man in, who holds the power until his successor is named. And that could happen in a few hours or a few days from now.
Right, Shiv, he's just moved from the Raj Bhavan and headed towards his house. It's not too far away, but he's already been announced as the former Chief Minister of Karnataka now. So he will be holding that house, Krishna, only for a little while longer. He will be possibly the caretaker Chief Minister for a few days, possibly 2 days, or maybe by this evening a decision could come out on who is going to be the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. But speaking of the probables there, Shiv, a big name as speculation that's doing the rounds is B.L. Santosh. Right now, B.L. Santosh holds great proximity with the BJP High Command. He is a Brahmin face, but nonetheless an organizational man, grown from the RSS ranks, and he is a very strong person in Karnataka. May not be a mass leader, but knows the nitty-gritty, the dynamics of Karnataka politics in and out, and has been very well filling in the BJP High Command of all that's happening in Karnataka. He's literally the sounding board of the BJP High Command for anything to do with Karnataka, and any information coming from here to there is conveyed by B.L. Santosh. He's the man who's in fact selected several candidates in Karnataka. BJP High Command literally listens to B.L. Santosh. B.L. Santosh and Yediyurappa are not in great terms. In fact, they have been at loggerheads for time immemorial. Okay. They've never really liked each other as much, and that has been quite visible. But it's very likely possible, again, speculation, nothing's confirmed, that B.L. Santosh could be the man possibly leading Karnataka for the next 2 years. If at all he's been made the Chief Minister, then there will be 4 Deputy Chief Ministers, and that could be one from the Lingayat community, one from the Vokkaliga, one SC and one ST. That's possibly the likelihood here, is what we hear the grapevine in Karnataka.
You're going to hear all these names, do the rounds and buzz around in the media over the next few days. But, obviously here on India Today, it's never buzz because, we've just demonstrated that, we are capable of pursuing and getting a big, very, very mysterious and suspenseful political story right. And therefore, we've got the credibility of your viewership right now, and we will continue to report the facts as they play out right now. We're not putting our word on any one of these possible successors. We're just showing you the kind of constellation of names that are doing the rounds right now. We've got some more breaking news right now. BJP leaders have assembled